Hi learners! I am so glad you're here to learn alongside me today. Today we are going to be decoding and spelling. It will be a bit of a review.
Materials!
Today you will need to grab a piece of paper and a pencil. Let's get ready! Here are our two learning targets for today. The first is, I can read silly CVC and CVCC words. And also, I can spell VC, CVC, CVCC, and high frequency words.
Transition song!
Gather round together, together, together. Gather round together to read silly words. They may sound a little strange, strange, strange. They may sound a little strange, 'cause that's how they're arranged.
Word work!
We are going to spend some time decoding some words. But they aren't just any normal words. They are silly words. But we can still decode them because we can use what we know about letters and sounds as clues. Let's take a look at the first word. I don't know that word, but I do notice that the ending part, ut, ut, is a part I know from the word cut. I'm going to tap this out to see if I can decode it. You can join me if you'd like. S, t, sut. Thank you for your help. Let's take a peek at the next word. What do you notice about this word? Maybe you notice a part that's already familiar to you. Let's tap it out together. T, p, tup. Great work.
Transition song!
Now let's all spell words, spell words, spell words. Now let's all spell words in ways that we know. It's time to be silly, silly, silly. It's time to show how silly we can be when we spell. We are going to do some spelling with style. You might remember that this is when you get to use any kind of voice you want to spell the letters in the word I show you. Let's take a peek at our first word. I am going to use my explosion voice. You can do it with me if you'd like. C-U-P. Now you can go ahead and pick your favorite style to spell our next word out loud. Maybe you'll use an explosion voice again, or an opera voice, or a chicken voice, or one that you've created. Here is our next word. Quiz. Go ahead and spell this word with some style. That sounded great! You definitely spelled with style.
Transition song!
Now it's time to decode and show what you're learning. Now it's time to decode and show what you've learned. Now we are going to show how much we've learned this week. You are going to see some words pop up on the screen. Go ahead and read any of the words that you can. Remember to just do your best. Here we go. On. Has. Nut. Thud. crush. Great work!
Writing.
For our last activity, we are going to do a spelling review. I am going to give you some words, and you are going to do your best to write those words on your piece of paper. Remember that you can always pause and tap out the sounds in each word if that helps you to write each letter. Just do your best. Here we go. The first word is nut. The nut was hard to crack. Nut. Our second word is punt. The football team will punt the ball to the other side. Punt. Our next word is quit. Please don't quit the team. Quit. And finally, our last word is slug. The slug moved very slowly. Slug. All right, let's check over your work to see how you did. As you look at these words, think about what you did well. Also think, what was a challenge for me today? Was it listening for those ending sounds or those blends? As we think about the challenges, then we know what we want to keep working on. But be sure to give yourself a pat on the back and to kiss your brain for all of your hard work on this spelling review.
Closing reflection.
Today, we reviewed all of the skills that we've been working on during this cycle. What are some things that you want to keep working on as we move forward together? One thing we need to keep in mind as we move forward is that Q and U are two letters that are stuck together like glue. You did an amazing job, and I look forward to continuing our work together on this adventure of becoming stronger readers and writers.